Every day, we pass by something broken. A person, a place, a system. And every day, we keep walking. We tell ourselves, that's not mine to fix. But what if it is? What if it always was? But the truth is, it was never meant to be one. It was meant to be all of us. Small actions, shared voices, linked hands, that's how change begins.